So this is 2 weeks after an L4/5 lumbar decompression and stabilisation. We put that stabilising device in. This was the scan showing the degeneration. Okay, so how have you been? How's the pain?
Right, I've had no pain at all, no.
No pain. And you said you walked after the operation?
Yeah, I walked from the day after the op, I walked from the hotel to the hospital and back, which was 15 minutes each way.
Right.
And then the following day I walked 6 miles.
No. And it was done as a day case and you've not had any pain?
No.
Anything down your legs?
No, nothing. No.
And how's just your flexibility? How does it feel? I know it's early days.
When I was.
You feel better, and this is only 2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks. In fact, I noticed that things like getting out of bed in the morning, I'm actually sort of springing out now.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Let's see you have a little walk. Perfect, and then back that way. And you got. I mean, how about your posture?
I think I'm still not as upright as I should be.
Yes.
Because I've spent years.
I know, because you've got a bit of a kyphosis on the thoracic spine.
I'm definitely straighter than I was.
Yeah, you look straighter. Gotta say, you look definitely taller.
Yeah, and I feel better.
Fantastic. Good.